relaxed. 1, 2, 3. Most interesting adjustment ever. Hey guys, I'm here with Margarita.
Hi.
Margarita hasn't been adjusted in over a year.
Yes.
And she has some back pain and some hip pain. Is the hip pain like in the front here?
Front,
the
yes.
front. Okay, and then like
the lower.
Can you here turn around this way and can you like point to where it hurts?
Like all this.
What about like in here?
This is like, I think this is because I got in my car accident like 4 years ago.
Okay.
And I just feel like it's still there.
So in here, is it more one side?
No, it's just like lower.
Okay, so on both sides across here. How does the rest of your body feel?
Everything's fine.
Everything feels pretty good. Do you feel restricted anywhere?
No.
Okay, you told me that you are a self-adjuster.
Yes.
And you go into the bathroom at work and you're like cracking your
Yes.
back and everything? Okay, so if you're saying that everything feels good right now, what does it feel like before you go and do that? Like,
Oh, it's my hips. So
you're
tight.
only doing it down
Yeah.
here? Okay, so you're not like self-adjusting your neck
it's
or
just,
anything?
I can't do it right now because I'm going to let you adjust me.
Don't do anything because I want to feel how everything
But I'm
is.
popping.
Okay, so you don't crack your knuckles or
No.
anything like that? Okay. Are you okay with me checking everything though? Mm-hmm. Yes? Okay. I'm gonna have you lay face down on the table and then we'll go from there. So this side is actually more restricted than this side here. I'm gonna check. Okay, keep your legs relaxed. You're pretty symmetrical as far as your leg length, but you're twisted this way. Which makes sense because this hip hurts, but the back of the side. Yeah. Like you can even see just like when you're laying there, this side is higher up like that. So actually by quite a bit. You'll see it on your video, but if you shoot this way, this side is actually, so it's like rotated like that. You'll see it on your video. So we're gonna untwist you there. Okay. Ooh, even in here. Okay. None of this is moving at all.
Is it supposed to?
Yes, like this is all of this. I know you said it doesn't hurt you,
No.
but it needs it bad. All right, take a deep breath in for me, and then breathe out all the way. Good, and stay relaxed. Good. How you doing?
Good.
Good. Take a deep breath in one more time. Breathe out. Good. Stay relaxed here. Okay, good. All right, that moved. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna have you turn on your side and face me this way. Let me see this arm. I'm gonna pull your shoulder out from under you and you can look at the ceiling. You won't feel like you're falling.
So like this?
Yep, and you're gonna give yourself a hug. Good. Bend this knee. And I'm gonna shoot this leg out here. Okay. So try to keep the legs relaxed. There you go. You're relaxed. Good.
I'm relaxed.
Okay. This is relaxed for you. There you go. Much better. Okay. Take a deep breath in. Breathe out. Stay relaxed. Good.
That's my favorite.
That's your favorite?
Yeah.
Hold on. What did you say?
That's my favorite.
All right. We're going to check the other side. I'm going to pull you this way just a bit and then put that hand on your elbow. And here. And scoot towards me on the table. Good. So keep this leg relaxed. Good. This is relaxed. This side's a lot tighter on you. You even feel it.
Yeah.
It's tighter in there. All right. Take a deep breath in. Breathe out. Good. How'd you do?
I needed it.
You did need that. All right, lay face up for me. And scoot up that way a bit. All right. Do you feel the difference between when I do this?
This one's looser.
So, how does that feel?
It's like tighter.
That side feels tighter for you?
So, yeah.
So have you had your ankles or any, you haven't had only spinal adjustments?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. You're in for a treat. So I believe that if somebody has low back issues or any spinal issues, it's really important to check their extremities too, like their arms and their legs, because if your ankles or your knees are not moving properly, you might be having pain up here because it's compensating. So that's why I'm gonna check everything. Keep your foot relaxed. Keep this here. So keep your leg relaxed here. Okay, good. Stay relaxed. Okay. Scoot back up there. I pulled you down a little bit. Pulling you around the room. Okay, let's see this side. Keep this leg relaxed. Do it quickly. Not that one?
That one's so sensitive. No.
You can't handle it?
No.
If I go 1, 2, 3. Stay relaxed for me here.
Oh, Jesus.
It was stuck. See, you made it.
I made it.
You made it. You made it. You're good. You're good. Okay, so keep this for like. Keep this relaxed. Okay. How you doing?
I'm good.
Good. Bend this knee for me. This may not be super comfortable. Can you handle that?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so tell me what you're feeling on both sides now.
I still feel like this one's
That one, you feel that a little bit tighter. Okay. So begin here. Okay, so keep this relaxed. Can you handle that?
Mm-hmm.
We're gonna come back to this after. I want to adjust the rest of your spine, and we're gonna see how everything feels. So, you know what? Are your earrings easy to take out? Just let's be on the safe side.
Oh my God. Okay.
You did fabulous.
Yes.
You needed that really bad.
Okay.
How you doing?
I'm good.
Very good.
I just felt it. Bam.
I mean, this, honestly, I know you said that your low back and your hips are bothering you, but this area in here on you,
I think I'm just used to that.
to me, is more concerning than what I felt down there.
Jeez.
And you said you were in an accident. This is a really common thing to happen in here, that you lose a lot of the mobility.
Yeah.
All right, you ready for the other side?
Yeah.
Yeah? Okay. Very good. Wow. How you feel? You feel good?
I feel it.
You feel it?
They're not going to be ready for me at work. So guess what, guys?
They're not going to be ready for you at work.
No, I already moved my neck a lot.
You're going to be like, oh, she's a new person.
Yes.
Let me unclip you here. And can I have you flip over and lay face down one more time? All right. All right. So is it okay if I press there? That feels all right? All right. Okay, so the table underneath you is going to go up. All right, I'm going to press here. and the table is going to go down. So let me adjust this a little bit. Okay. It's the table's loud, I know, but it's just so it doesn't. It's more comfortable for your hips when I press here.
It's like after Thanksgiving when you need a little extra room.
It's the after Thanksgiving table.
Yes.
All right, I'm gonna press right there. Does that feel okay? So I'm going to use a massage gun on this area because see if it helps like loosen this up. I know you said that you stretch this area, but it's not really helping too much, right? So I'm going to go here. It might tickle, but yeah. Is it okay if I put my hand right here? Okay. It's okay there. Okay. All right. Are you in La La Land yet?
A little bit.
A little bit? Okay. Can I have you sit up for me? And you can stay seated and just face me this way. Scoot forward just a little bit. I'm going to check your arms too and see how everything is doing here. So sit up really straight from here. Keep your arm relaxed. Stay relaxed here. There we go. That was an interesting sounding elbow.
Yeah.
You're right-handed or left-handed?
Left. Why?
I feel that. It's unusual. But there's a lot of restriction here. Like I can feel.
Oh, I use my left hand all the time though, for work.
That's what it feels like. Like it's strong in here, which is why I asked if you were left-handed.
Okay.
But your wrist is a little bit restricted. It could lean back a bit. Okay. All right. Let me see the other side. Okay, lean back again just a bit. All right. How you feel right now?
Yeah.
Good? All right. I want you to stand up and kind of tell me how your hips and your low back feel. If you want to like walk back and forth, move around, do your back flip, whatever
I mean,
you
do you
need
want
to
me
do.
to like do what I do? Like see, like that always cracks.
So when you're doing that, where are you feeling it? In here?
Yeah.
Like in the front
it's-
in there?
It's like, but
Okay.
sometimes if I'm stretching at the side, it's just like to stretch both. Like that's what I'm doing.
Okay. But as far as what you're hearing, like that popping sound, it's
Yeah,
coming
yeah.
from in there. Okay. How do you feel right now? Do you
Oh, I'm good.
you feel
Overall, like this still hurts, Well, this side still hurts, like the back.
Where are you feeling it?
It's
Like mostly in.
like right here.
Okay. Is it constant or are you in a specific
No,
position?
it's like constant.
Okay. Besides, okay, so on your left side there, besides that, how does
Everything
like,
else is good.
everything feels good? Okay, I'm gonna do a little bit more there. How does this area feel?
Relaxing.
I love that. So you actually needed it like
And I didn't know I
really,
needed it.
really badly in there. Let me do a little bit more on this area,
Yeah.
okay? Let me have you lay down again, face down, just one more time. And do you ever get massages?
Yeah.
You do? And I'm assuming they work on this area in here?
Yeah.
Does it help afterwards or no?
No.
Interesting. Okay. Let me see. How does it feel in here?
Tight.
Okay. Let's see. Still good? Next here. You handle that? It's fine? So do you, when you're laying down like this, do you feel that area or is it when you're standing
It's
up?
more, yeah, standing.
When you're standing, okay,
Yeah.
so like you can't feel it right now, right?
No, I kind of like, it's just, I don't know if it's like a tight nerve or something, but I still feel it, like, but it's very subtle, but
Okay.
it's just comfort.
Okay. It's not like a tingling, it's just like a dull ache, right?
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah.
Okay. Over here. One more time here. Can you lay on your side and face me one more time? I want to do one more thing here, and then we'll see. Bend this top knee and straighten this one out. Good. Scoot towards me, just a little, like toward. No, other right. Yep, right there. Good. Okay. Scoot towards me just a little bit more. Right. Alright. So keep this relaxed here for me. Is this relaxed? Okay, good. Put your hand on your elbow. Good. Stay relaxed. Stay. Okay. My face up here. Symmetrical. You okay? Right. And then this one, put your feet together, just like that. And you're gonna push out against my hands that way.
Okay.
Okay? As hard as you can. Okay, good. And then keep your knees together and don't let me pull them apart. So you're,
Okay.
hold on, I gotta put my hand there
I
first.
just go like this.
Yeah, hold on, I gotta put my hand there first. Oh, relax. Okay, now do it. Don't let me push them apart on the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. Good. Most interesting adjustment ever. So the proper term is your pubic symphysis.
Jesus. Okay.
Did you know you could adjust that?
No.
Yeah, it's a joint. So your pelvis comes together in the front, and there's actually a joint there.
That's crazy.
And a lot of the time when we adjust back here and it is not helping, it could be in the front too.
Jesus.
So let me have you sit up for me. Let's test you out again. Move around. Tell me how you feel right now.
Better.
It feels better? So it might have been that you needed to be adjusted here because it sounded like it's never been adjusted ever.
No.
Okay. So you feel good right now?
Yeah.
Good. Do you want to test it out? Do you want to go for a stroll? Stroll around the table? Going for a run?
Yes. We're good.
You're so cute. You feel good though?
Yeah,
you feel
I do.
good? Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you so much
Thank
for
you
letting
so
me film this.
I
And
appreciate it.
yes, and thank you guys for watching. We'll see you in the next video.
Bye.